Good evening and welcome back to where the Detroit Lions absolutely choked. You want monumental collapse? Just watch the second half of the NFC Championship game. 24-7. I mentioned in my last video Detroit was up 24-7 at halftime. I said, "We'll see how this. We'll see. We'll see what happens." Well, I said we'll know what happens in a couple hours. Let's see. So 10 after 9, which is about a couple hours after the AFC Championship game. Oh, actually, it would have been a couple hours ago. It was after I was just finished watching that cooking show. San Francisco 34, Detroit 31. San Francisco scored 27 unanswered points to start the second half. 27. A friend of mine says they were outcoached. I said horribly outcoached. I mean horribly. Apparently there's a couple times where Detroit coach Dan Campbell decided to go for the first down instead of kicking a field goal on two different occasions. I'm not saying that would have made a difference, but it turned out to be big. I mean, big. So right about roughly in 2 weeks from tonight, right about now, we'll know who wins Super Bowl 58. Got the Chiefs versus the 49ers. And I happened to take a peek past the last time San Francisco was in the Super Bowl was 5 years ago against Kansas City. And Kansas City won that one. Honestly, I don't know how San Francisco hung on to that one. They were outplayed that one. Even though they had a lead for a bit, they were outplayed. But here we are 5 years later. Super Bowl 58 coming up. We'll see what happens. San Francisco's due for a Super Bowl. Oh, Kansas City's won, I think, 3 in the last 5 years. I did say they're in 4 of the last 5. Yeah, that one loss was to Tampa Bay. So I think the other 3 they did win. So this should be a good one, hopefully. So there's just one NHL game left, and that's it. It's gonna be an awfully slow week. It's about there's between 1 and 3 games between. Let's see. I'm gonna go find. Let's go pull up the NHL sched. Good thing for the yearbook. So we got 1 game tomorrow. Nashville and Ottawa. 2 games Tuesday. Columbus at St. Louis and Seattle at San Jose, and 3 Wednesday. Ottawa, Detroit, LA, Nashville, San Jose, Anaheim. And then the All-Star break. They won't play again until February 6th, which is fine by me. Nice little break will be good. Very good. Of course, the All-Star weekend in the NHL will be right around Pro Bowl time. So I have an excuse to ignore both the All-Star game and the Pro Bowl. Because why not? Yeah. Weather-wise, we're going to have some serious snow melt. Going to be above zero all week, which will be good. Which will be a good way to start February as well. I'll be happy. Maybe snow. Nah, it'll be nice to see some snow disappear. Yeah. Yes. I mean, New Year's started nice, and January started nice. It's going to end nice. We had a stretch about for a few days where it got really, really cold, and it really, really, really warmed up. So spring has arrived a little early, which is good, I think. Hopefully February. Hopefully February is just as nice as the rest of this month. 29 days in February, because leap year. Because you gotta like that. And here I go rambling again, because I don't have a flipping story. So I did earlier watch a video on the Edmonton tornado. Very good. And that's it. I also watched a video from Mike Brady about comparing the scenes from the movie Titanic to what happened on the actual ship on the night of the sinking, and then when it left Southampton. Well, basically from when it left Southampton in England to the night of the sinking. Quite interesting. Look it up on YouTube. Mike Brady or Ocean Liner Designs, one of the two. So I think that's it. So in the meantime, and in between time, stay tuned for the next one.